Okay, so when I don't have the any box on the back, I much prefer it. I still like this rack because it protects you real light. If you're reversing, you're going to hit this first. It's very strong, and I kind of think it fits in with the sort of era of this bike. Overall, I'm a big fan of the Tec Bike Parts rear rack. I can't say the same about all their equipment, but the rack is very good. And yes, I paid for it with my own money. So I would recommend that if you want a rack. If not, rack off, take it off. As always, this is a what's happened, not a how-to. I put 2 extra washers in because there's some confusion over the installation. I watched the original Tec Bike Parts video, which I thought was pretty clear how to do it. When it came to it, it didn't quite work out properly. Then I read the instructions and found that Tec Bike Parts has changed the installation. So I created my hybrid version by accident. It's been fine, but I suggest you follow the instructions, not my version. Ooh, what have you got now? A box. It's a nice box, isn't it? Now this box was in the garage for over a month, so anything in it is free apparently. So what have you got in there? What is it? Oh, a rack. That's good, isn't it? Okay, if you get out, thank you. I'll get you some biscuits. How about that? That's a deal. Good morning, Codger Biker here. Just conjuring up Dr. J. Shouldn't take very long. I've got a new bike. All I got to do is make some drinks. Look, as if by magic, coffee.
Oh, you're a star. Magic. It's good.
So look, everything, and I mean everything we could possibly need is there. I've even got some masking tape because I'm going to put it on those arms so that while we get it in position, because these are what this. If you're going to scrape it, it'll be this.
It's nicely put together.
Yeah.
That's good.
So the principle is take the seat off, take the grab handle off, take the shock bolts out, take one shock off, position it, put the shock back in, put the bolts back in, ride away happy. Oh, and it's that strong you can pick the bike up with it.
Fine.
So one of us has got to try and pick the bike up with it at the end. Do you reckon?
Not me.
Not me. If you'd hold that, then I think if you're going to scratch it, it'll be on that, won't it? The nets.
I won't put too much in.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm just enough to cushion the load. Look, it's not going on with that on. That's coming off before we do it, he says. Right, so what I've got to do now is learn how to take the seat off. Right, so you open this, and we know that pulls off, don't we? I did that. And you pull this.
All right, okay, so
I'd imagine. So, fuses, undo that.
Where are the fuses?
I mean, if it gets scratched, it gets scratched. I prefer if it didn't. Okay. So we've got to take those out.
Right.
Undo those 6 bolts. So the dismantling part should be straightforward, shouldn't it? Right, first of all, let's undo this. That wasn't £1,000,000 of torque, was it? Yeah. It feels like it's got some Loctite on it. See all the powder falling off it. Right, so that's that one. So undo that.
Yeah.
Oh, this one is tight.
Do you want to take this off so you don't scratch it?
No, I won't scratch it up.
But there's all sorts of people.
I do feel different about this bike. So that one doesn't have a washer in because it's got the handle. And to prove that I'm going to be lucky today, I put my hand in the bag and the very first socket that I pulled out was a 12mm. So let's see. Let's try this one here first. Yeah. Hang on. Yeah, will do. Loose. Loose. Vintage. Go and look at the MZ. Indicator, one of the indicators points at the sky. Right, so we got that off. John with his OCD.
It's just looks odd, that's all.
Yeah. Look, is that it?
No.
You happy now? Well, I'm not bothered. I'm not getting drawn into it. It's staying as it is. It doesn't drive me to distraction. I don't care.
It will do.
It won't. I'm not falling for it. You're trying to make it.
Sorry.
So that was there. That was. We used those bolts.
DPD. Have you got some DPD?
We reused those bolts.
Okay.
No DPD for us today. Every time I see that, I think it's Christmas, or I get really jealous because I reckon you've got something. Hang on, there's a bracket underneath, so be careful. It won't just lift out, I don't think. You might have to move it one side to the other.
I'm just wondering whether it'll come back that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
It's out. Right, so that's done. Might just leave it like that. It looks nice and clean now. That's why I grow that moss there. Now, we have to ease this off, push it forward. So the tricky bit is, we've got to go down to get those bolt holes, brackets in, but the shock's in the way, so one of them has to come off, this one, to give us enough leeway to carefully manoeuvre it into position. So, with luck, all I've got to do is drop that forward, like that, as far as it will go without scratching anything. Yeah, I'm putting a bit of tape up. What's that?
Sound of the future.
I was thinking that. I was thinking 3 pints of milk and a gold top, please. Now, I will, this is like, you know, when you went to the fair and you've got one of those metal things that go along the route.
So, one of the good things is you might knock this level.
Well, that one. Oh. So bash that already. That. Can you just hold that forward a little bit? Just enough to get me past it.
You want this
Yeah.
held?
Just push it forward.
Push it forward.
That's
okay.
it. Just to give me that bit of. So I don't want to scratch it. You can see why people scratch it, can't you?
You can do.
Right, and then you go back with it. That's it. Now come back. That's it. Now if you can get that metal bush onto there. Sorted. Hang on, let's just get that on the camera. Okay, just a little tap, it might go. I might have to push down the back wheel, but I think it'll go. There you go, it's in.
Yeah.
Right, it'll go now. It'll go now. There you go.
Okay.
Oh!
That would be much harder on your own.
Exactly, but we because we were forewarned, I
Yeah.
quite like it, so I don't want to sit on the right then.
Yeah.
Right, can you get that tape off that side? Right, so I'm going for it now. I'm in position, I'm going with the bolt. One bolt. As long as I get it started, it's really tight that. I'm going to put... Now in the original Tec Bike Parts video, it showed this washer on the outside as I've fitted it there. The new instructions say to put that washer on the inside between the shock absorber and the rack, which presumably just leaves the bolt on its own. I wasn't happy with that. But we didn't discover this problem till later on. It's in the bag, look.
Yeah.
The bolt. So
It's in the bag.
if you just hold this here, I've got it, just stop it rattling around. They're not going in very easily.
No, you said that. Yeah, there's a bit in.
Jay's administering the thread lock to the first bolt.
It's starting to rain already. Oh, that really surprises me.
So is that 4 in?
No, not yet. That one there is
Is that the 4th one?
Hang on. These are not going in. Oh, that's better. That was it.
So it's,
These up and then
Yeah.
realise that they've got a problem here.
just a little bit. But I mean, that's how these things are. Eventually it'll bend into position.
Bloody hell.
I don't like the feel of that.
It's even very tight.
Yeah, it's too long, that.
Are you supposed to have the
No, it's definitely a replacement one. Let me try. That's plenty. All I've got to do is get that bolt through that hole. There you go. With that washer. And then line it with the hole. I'm not forcing it because I don't like the feel of it. I mean, I'm not cross-threading it, look.
No, it's not, definitely not cross-threaded.
Okay. I mean, having that washer there, it lines up better anyway, doesn't it?
Does.
And this,
I'd rather see a fatter washer in here.
well, I can put another one.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but not today.
But it's a bit awkward.
Getting too wet. I knew there was a problem with the order that we put it together on, but I'd forgotten all about that central bolt. You're so careful you don't bash these, look. nodules on the front. I'll dry that off later. I just want to get the main where the, you know, covered up on it. Right, last test. Don't drop it.
Yeah, but it's easier if I'm
Lift it up right. Lift it up right. Right. No, because you can see the. If you have to put the side stand back. Right, you got it?
Yeah.
I don't think I'll be able to lift this, but.
Yeah.
Yep. Back wheels off the ground.
Yeah, that's right.
On that note,
It's done.
getting pouring down rain. Codger Biker it is
Out.
So to plate inside the bag to the front, I'll now drill the holes through the. Trim them down, stick a spring washer under there or a nylock. Job's a good one. Good after gloom. God, it's gloomy. So I've had this bike now for nearly 1,000 miles. Can't remember if it's 3 or 4 months. Not done a lot of riding, but the very first things that I put onto it was the Tec Bike Parts rear rack. And of all the Tec Bike part things that I bought, there are a couple of other things. The rear rack has been the best. I really like it. I've tried it for 3 months. It's still on the bike. Probably tells you all you need to know. So as you can probably see, I've got a knapsack strapped to the back of it. Sits on there fine. It'd be nice if it was a little bit deeper from that way, but it's been fine. I can fit my tail bag to it if necessary with some U-bolts, but today I've just got my waterproof jacket, trousers and a thermal. Don't really need it, it's not that cold. I also like the fact it protects the back light. Remember in the 70s lights and how often I used to break them? It's quite nice to have that bit of metal just to hold it out. It doesn't obscure the tail light at all. Overall, really pleased, very strong, particularly at being anchored to the shocks as well. You have to remember to put that washer in. Is in the instructions after all. Did find it afterwards. And yeah, it's been absolutely brilliant. And I think pretty much goes with that bike. It looks better when the bag's not on it obviously, but anyway. On that note, hope you enjoyed that. Hope it was of some use. Merry Christmas soon. Codger Biker is out.